we're looking at this question. Okay, find the inverse of this. Uh, the only thing making it that special is just this exponential form. So what we are going to do first is for us to um, look at this one minus x over 2, x minus 1, the bracket s squared plus 1. Okay, so and this will give us the degree of year of the numerator is 2, while that of denominator is 3. So we're going to apply partial fraction for that. And this is a linear factor, which will be a over what? X minus 1 plus. This is a quadratic, which will be bx plus c all over s squared plus 1. You can't factorize this quadratic. So if you cannot do that, then you take this form. Okay? So what next now? Multiply through by these two expression, this common factor here. I mean the denominator here. So you now have 3x squared. You multiply through by that plus 2 equal to this times this, a into bracket s squared plus 1, then plus bx, this one times this one, bx plus c times what? X minus 1. Okay? So multiply this by these two expressions, you get this. Multiply these two expressions, you have what? You have this. So that's that on that. So what can we do now? Can we substitute for let x be equal to 1? If x is 1, I'm going to have 3 here, minus 1, then plus 2, which will be equal to 4, equal to, this will be 1 plus 1, that's 2a. A is 2. Okay, then the next thing I can do now is to equate coefficients. I can use the coefficient of x squared. In this place is what? 3. Coefficient of what? X squared here also will be a plus this one times this one plus b. Now you have bx squared. So the coefficients. We're equating the coefficient of the two sides of the equation. So that's that's that. Then your a is 2. Can you plug in that? 2 plus b equal to what? 3. So b is what? B is 1. B is 1. So what again we need? We need a c also. Then we can equate the constant terms. If you equate constant terms, equate constant terms. Okay. From the left, the constant is 2. From the right, we're going to have a times 1. That's a. And then we're going to have it also here. This one times this one, this one times this one, this one times this one. That's minus c. Okay. So, and that will be equal to a is 2 minus c. That's that. So c is 0. C is 0. So that's what we have now. So this now will now become 3x squared minus x plus 2 all over x minus 1 into bracket s squared plus 1 will be equal to, my a is 2 over x minus 1, then my b is 1, so that will be plus x over s squared plus 1. Okay, so and that will be equal to Laplace of the inverse of this one, 3x squared minus x plus 2 all over x minus 1 into bracket s squared plus 1. Okay, I can put bracket like that. That will be equal to unit step function u of t minus 1 from here. Okay, u of t minus 1, and then the inverse of 3x squared minus x plus 2 all over x minus 1 s squared plus 1. And don't forget, we are going to also have what? Close this bracket here. There will be t minus 1 attaching to this. There will be t minus 1 attaching to that. And what that t minus 1 means is that when you find, ideally, when you find the inverse of this expression here, normally if you find the inverse of this, 2 over x minus 1 plus x over x squared plus 1. So this will give you 2, go outside, and 1 over x minus 1 will give you t, and then plus. This one will give you cos t. Okay, but that will not. If this wasn't in the question, we would have stopped here. But with the introduction of this now, to give us this form, so the final answer now, I'm going to write now. So we are now having ut1, t minus 1, and then inverse of 3x, 3x minus x plus 2 all over x minus 1, x minus 1, and then s squared plus 1. Okay, close that and put t minus 1 also by this side. Okay, so anytime you do you have exponential like this, you must have this form. Then the next thing you do now is to now write the final conclusion. What's the inverse of this? We have it there, which is that 2. So anywhere you see t, 2 e to power t. So anywhere you see t, you just put t minus 1 there, then plus. The next one, cos what? Cos t. Anywhere you see t, what do you put there? T minus 1. And that is your answer to the question. And that's your answer to the question. There's no u of t. U of t, just open brackets and close brackets. So that's your answer.